In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use blocks from sample files in AutoCAD. By the end, you will know exactly where to find ready-made blocks that ship with AutoCAD and how to bring them into your drawing quickly and accurately. Start inside AutoCAD and open the DesignCenter. The fastest way is to type a DC or a DC enter in the command line and press enter. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+2. DesignCenter opens as a palette, usually docking to the side of your screen. Think of it as a built-in browser for content such as blocks, layers, layouts, and more. Next, you'll locate the sample files. In the folder tree within DesignCenter, navigate to the AutoCAD installation directory. The typical path is C drive program files. Then select Autodesk. Then select AutoCAD. Then select Sample, then select NUS, then select DesignCenter. If your installation is in a different location or language, simply browse to the sample folder for your version and open the DesignCenter subfolder there. These sample drawings contain curated content you can reuse. Now browse the content and choose a drawing that fits your needs. For space planning examples, open homespaceplanner.dwg. For mechanical symbols, open electricmotors.dwg. When you select a file, DesignCenter shows a tree view of what's inside. This lets you pull specific content without opening the drawing itself. Within the selected file, double-click the blocks entry in the tree. You'll see a list of available blocks pulled from that drawing. Take a moment to review names and, if available, preview thumbnails so you know what you are inserting. To bring a block into your current drawing, you have two options. Drag and drop the block name directly from DesignCenter into your drawing area. Or right-click the block name and choose Insert Block. Both methods open an insertion process that gives you control over placement and appearance. As you insert, AutoCAD prompts you to specify key parameters. First, pick an insertion point for accuracy. Use your usual drafting aids like object snap so the block lands exactly where it should. Next, set the scale. If your drawing units match the source, a scale of 1 is typically correct. If you need to resize, you can type a numeric scale. Keeping uniform scaling on preserves the block's proportions. Finally, define the rotation. You can enter a precise angle or visually rotate with the cursor before you click. If you want a clean horizontal or vertical alignment, constrain your cursor with ortho or tracking while you place it. That's it. Thanks for watching.